Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Jesse in Michigan on this new Ranger RCI 99N2. Jesse got it ready to go for you, bud. Tune alignment and the voltage regulator upgrade. Keep those MOSFET finals happy. Get your amp on off switch here and start with your RF power all the way down. 100-watt slug. 5 watts all the way down, Jesse. That's just in case you decide to run an amp, you got full adjustability. 50 all the way up. Show you average power spring. Hello. 1, 2, 3. You can definitely see it definitely smacking that 100-watt scale in average power with that voltage regulator in there. 250-watt slug in PEP. Hello. 1, 2, 1, 2 audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 250 watts in the corner. Alright, Jesse, this beauty's ready to come to you. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bum bum.